How to mute everyone in Google Meet. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So if you are the meeting host, then you can mute everyone in your Google Meet according to your choice. So let's dive right in. First things first, head over to your Google Meet. Now, once you open it up, you will see a lock-like icon in the bottom right corner. Go ahead and tap on it. There you can change the host settings. So, you can see host management, just toggle it on and then scroll down and you can see turn on their microphone, just toggle it off. So once you toggle it off, now everyone in the meet will be muted and they won't be able to turn back their mic until you do it. So it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.